Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will teach you how to buy Bitcoin or other crypto anonymously on Paydece using your Metamask. It's a way for you to invest in crypto if your state or country does not allow crypto purchases. Paydece is a decentralized P2P crypto to fiat trading platform that requires no KYC. It's all about the evolution of transactions. With Paydece, we will use a non-custodial wallet which allows you to have full control of your crypto. Now, let me walk you through how it works. First, you'll need to visit the paydece.io website. Once you're there, you'll see a button on the upper right corner that says Go to App. Click on that. Now, you might notice that the website is in Spanish, but don't worry, you can easily switch to English. Just look for the language option and select English. With Paydece, you can trade P2P without limits. It's 100% decentralized and uses a self-custodial EVM-compatible wallet. You can buy or sell by taking an order from the marketplace. The crypto is escrowed in a smart contract audited by Hacken.io, ensuring the security of your transactions. Let me show you how to buy crypto. Click on Connect Wallet in the upper right corner. Let me pick Browser Wallet since I will use my Metamask Wallet. Log into your wallet to connect. Then you select the network you will be using. I will recommend using the BSC network for a cheap transaction fee. Make sure you're on Marketplace. Select the Buy tab. Select here the fiat currency you will be using. Let me choose USD. Here, you will see the list of merchants with whom you can make transactions. When you hover your cursor over their wallet address, it will show how many transactions they have made. You will also see the payment methods they support. Choose the merchant you want to have a transaction with. Let me pick this merchant. The price will be 1.07 USD per 1 USDT. He uses Wise as a payment method. The limit will be 300 to 1,605 USD. The available fund right now for the transaction is 1,500. If you want to change the crypto you want to purchase, just filter here. Once decided, just click the Buy button. And put the amount you want to buy. Let's say I want to buy 500 USDT. Below is the amount in USD you'll be paying. The next step is to contact the merchant. You will need to have a Telegram. Here, you will see he has added his Telegram contact link. Just copy the username here and go to the Telegram app and search for the seller. And you will need to ask if he or she is available for the transaction. If the seller confirms, you just go back to the Paydece app, enter the payment method with which you have agreed. Then click the Buy button. I will need BNB for the gas fee to transact. If you choose Ethereum, you will need ETH, TRX for the Tron network, and so on. You can check the video description for another video sample on how to buy or sell crypto on Paydece app. That's how you buy crypto anonymously using the Paydece Marketplace. If you have questions, feel free to comment below, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more cryptocurrency video tutorials. I'll see you in my next video.